Come and fly away with me. 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 Come and fly away with me.
Got brackets.
What up with my nose, fam?
Dude, you were for real. Put it in my nose, though. I swear. Why you keep panning to my nose, bro? What up with my nose, fam?
CJ got the paparazzi on him.
Dude, for dual cam. Yep, exposed. I just
filming
filmed
you,
with my
filming
phone.
you, filming me, filming a video, filming.
Yeah, look how much nicer your camera looks. More professional.
You guys want a wet microfiber?
Yeah.
Excuse me, CJ. Get out of the clip.
Where'd it go? Yeah. Thanks, fam. Love a good wet microfiber.
I thought you were dumping out his beard.
That's my gift.
No, that's his wet microfiber, bro.
No, it's a gift.
It's my gift.
It's a gift.
That's a sopping wet microfiber.
Bro, I saw his red. Oh,
I'm gonna cut it right there. It's just gonna be Turn your lights off. Oh fuck, I'm ruining your clip. My bad. Dude, don't mind me talking through the clip.
My bad, bro. We're back. Another day, another beer. Still working on this great caliber. We have not got it to start yet, so we're gonna completely ignore the problem and put wheels and coilovers on it.
Make sure they don't put the ball in there, because now it's fucked.
Nah, it's stuck.
Where's that little pick?
Milwaukee, man, what are you out here bragging about how good your tools are and you need a fucking stick fool to get the socket.
Well, if you put it on the right way, you wouldn't.
Yeah, but with a DeWalt, you don't have to worry about it. Taking the strut bar out?
Fuck yeah.
Fuck yeah. I can get more for it. Separately, eh?
Oh yeah. Strut bar. Yes, sir. I got my side done. You done yet?
I got the shock out.
Where'd you put?
Yeah! We did get the coilovers on in the front, as well as these other wheels. Yeah, that's better than stock, eh? So we're pulling the starter out. Ooh, yeah, that's definitely an issue.
Yes, sir.
That is definitely an issue. Oh man, I think we found our problem, my guy.
Well, I wouldn't say that yet.
Yeah, probably not. Ooh, yup. Do you wanna split the shipping?
Yeah.
We're buying flags that we don't need. Oh yeah, but you see this?
Yeah.
That's no bueno.
Yeah.
That's for realsies, no bueno.
Yeah.
This thing might need a starter.
Oh wait. We're gonna have to go to the parts store and grab a starter.
Oh no, the parts store. Oh.
How did you get that? I was trying for 2 minutes.
Cut to Calvin's part shed.
Look at that rust under there.
Damn. Dude, this thing hasn't been changed from the factory.
Oh, definitely.
We got anything with 12 volts? You want to bench test this?
I got a couple batteries.
Bro's making spark music. So we've got the CDI box, I think is what it's called, just bypassed, and all of the connectors are in the relays. So we tested, we have 12 volt constant here. When we turn the car on, we get 12 volts here. But yeah, there's still never 12 volts to this wire, which runs to the starter to engage the solenoid. Well, we've been fighting with this thing all day and have not been able to get it to crank and start. There is a problem that's hiding from us real good.
Don't buy a Caliber SRT4.
Yeah, for real, don't buy one. They ain't worth it. Get a Neon instead, you know. Anyway, we're gonna push it back out of the way and forget about it. Just leave it there to rot.